Alright guys, you're going to use your trusty old boss stitch to nail the border on this bad boy. Maybe a little lower. That's good. Very good. I think it's a little fucked, but what are you gonna do? Oh, that's pretty good there. See, the corner's tight. That's how we gotta do it. This consistent and push it down. Consistent, push it down. Let's see how one's out. It's a bit of a bad angle. Oh! Still can't screw. Still can't properly screw, guys. It's just pathetic. Alright guys, we got our forms here. Nice and tight. Alright guys, time to finish this frame off. All I want to do is add a screw here. That could be a miss there. We'll see, that's pretty tight. Alright guys, time to glue this bad boy. And we're gonna need to bring it down. Although we may seem like amateurs at times, at the end of the day we do know what we're doing here. We do know that we gotta glue our forms. So again guys, we're here ready to pour. Just about getting everything level. We can see that's good there. Here. Right. You know, our ball is good. It's staying there. Drop it. Stay. Drop it. Stay. It just blows around compressor. All kinds of speckle. Alright, so we're gonna get our specifications, all our measurements, check what's going on here, and mix it up and do our pour. Wish us luck, and hopefully our batch of epoxy doesn't end up like this one here. Alright guys, everything on the table. They're saying we need to dump both these bottles in here. They're saying we need pretty much 1 gallon. Guys, on the back end of this mixing job here, we've been doing this for a while now. Looks pretty clear in this camera. I don't know, it's looking a little white and gray. I'm gonna do one more here. Whisk, 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 whisk. Alright guys, without further ado, let's see what's gonna happen here. Woo! You can see what's going down here. We were just scared that it's just gonna fucking end this whole thing, right? Just like you wouldn't be able to see the pictures. The whole thing starts leaking, right? But no, it looks okay. Definitely looks okay. We're gonna leave this for now. Overall, this pour experience, guys, not too bad. We're about to go to the gym. Give ourselves 2 hours, relax, smoke some weed,